Hi guys, I'm Carl from the Two Traders. I'm going to create a real short video for new traders just getting into trading, just to show them what bull candles are and what bear candles are. Okay, so this is going to be the real basics, and I'm going to show you exactly what goes on in those candles. Now, if you've never heard of the Two Traders, we've been around since 2017. I've personally been trading since 2008. Okay, now our aim is just to help new traders and experienced traders just improve their trading and get to the level that they want to be at. Now, I know personally, I'm on Instagram and I see a lot of misleading information on Instagram, where people claim that they can possibly make you a lot of money. They show you their lavish lifestyles, their Ferraris and all this kind of stuff, telling that you can make £20,000 in your first year of trading and all this kind of stuff, and just giving real unrealistic goals. Okay, and again, signals providers, get away from all that kind of stuff. Get away from your signals. You're not going to do well because you can't trade using signals. One, because you don't really know what you're doing with trading, and two, possibly they're just salespeople and their signals actually don't work. And I can pretty much guarantee you, go in the chat room with our guys and ask them, because they've all been down that route as well. Just ask them if they've used signal providers and what they've thought of them. We used to actually provide signals and we done really well, but it wasn't. For me, it wasn't helping people enough. Now I'm experienced and I can trust what I'm putting out there, but everyone needs that basic understanding of trading. And my vision is for the Two Traders, my goal is to basically make everyone a better trader and teach you the right way to trade. I don't want people relying on signals, especially my signals. I want everyone to do it to work for themselves, to work hard and actually achieve something. So yeah, that's basically what we're about, and we will help every single person. If you go in the chat room and ask, the guys are brilliant in there, and I've helped pretty much all of them in there. Now, we do have a free trading course. We are going to start charging for that. We can't be free forever, but it is free at the moment, so get over and have a look at that. If you're new to trading, it might be a little bit too much for you at the moment, but we are creating new content for new traders as well. Okay. Right, so let's go in and have a look, shall we, at what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is what are these green candles and what are these red candles, because that's one of the first things that you need to know as a trader. Yeah, you can see what's going on. You can pull out the chart and say, oh, it's gone up, it's gone down, but do you really know what's gone on in between these moves? Now, you're probably going to hear the phrase bulls and bears a lot. Okay, now bulls go up to the green candles and bears come down. Okay, so when people are going on about, the bulls are winning, yeah, that's a green candle, bears winning, red candle. Now, what I would certainly advise everyone to do, like I just said, with signals groups, get out of them. Stop looking for different stuff all over the internet. Focus on one place. Yeah, one place only. Yeah, there's too much conflicting information out there. Now, if you're starting your journey now, then just focus on one way. Yeah, now I'll tell you exactly what I do. I'm a trend follower, okay, and I am successful, and I've done it since 2008. But try and focus. So if you're in groups like on eToro or other forums, yeah, just take what people say with a pinch of salt. Yeah, because especially on eToro, you're going to get a lot of people blabbing about what they think the market's doing, but I'll show you what they're doing is. So you'll have a big move on the market, and then the guys on eToro are like, the market's moving really well, so they start selling the market here, and then they lose. Okay, so you don't want to be one of them. Anyway, let's get back to basics. Let's have a little look. So we've got the green candle, so we've got the bull candle, and what these candles are. So this is a daily chart. These represent every tick, every movement. It's like a receipt. Think of it as a receipt. It's recorded every little movement throughout the day. And our 30-minute chart can act as a receipt. So what we've got on a green candle, we've got the open is the bottom, the close is the top. Now, what are these tails, you say? Top and bottom tails. This is where prices come down and then back up, come up, down, close. Not necessarily in that order, but the chances are I might have done it in that order on this one. Okay, so we move down to the 30-minute chart. You get a better understanding of actually what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we go. So you can see these lines here. See these blue dashed lines? Okay, they represent 1 day. So that whole candle that I've just shown you is there to there. So we can see here, like I said, we had the open on this red line. We come down and we come back in. Now this is the green part of the candle. Okay. So if we fill this in, actually, it'll be quite handy. So that was the green part of the candle. Yeah, this was the lower wick, and this was a higher wick. Anything up the top was a higher wick. Then we closed, that was the closing price, just there, okay? So if we zoom out now, that should be nicely on our candle. There you go, just see what I've shown you. So you got the open, you come down to the bottom, back into the green, up to the top, and then closed here. Yeah, so it's nice and simple, really. Now you can come back to this video and watch it again, or I'm going to make a few presentations as well, so make it easier for you guys. Right, so we've done the bull candle, the buyer's candle, so that's all buying pressure in there really. Now let's have a look at a red candle. We won't look at this one because it's not too bearish as such. Yeah, because prices opened at the top and closed here, so it's either come up and down and back, or it's gone down and up and closed lower. Yeah, so we'll have a look at this one here. Right, so everything that I've just told you for the green candle is opposite for the red, okay? It's just opposite. So instead of opening at the bottom, we open at the top and come down and close at the bottom. Yeah, with the green one, we open and we close at the top. So let's come back down and see that receipt and see what's been printed for the day. Yeah, we can bring this down for 1 minute data as well and have a look. So again, let's have a little look. So that's a tiny little bit out, okay? So what's gone on? So let's have a little look. We've opened here. Yeah, this candle here. We've got this area between the red lines. It's our red candle, okay? We opened here. We come up. This is the wick, the upper wick. We've come into the red. We've come back up, and this is still the wick. Yeah, it doesn't change the wick. This is the high of the day. Yeah, we come down, and this is the low of the day. This is a lower wick, and then we've closed here. Okay, so I'm just slightly out. There we go. We've closed there. So that is your red candle. There we go. So you can see there. So let's just recap quick. So a green candle opens here. It could go to the top and make a high of the day, to the bottom, low of the day, but it closes here. So it always opens here, closes here. So this one here opened, come down, up, didn't really create a wick, and it closed near the high. This one here, it opened here, it come down to the low of the day, you've got the high of the day, and it closed here. Now a red candle is the opposite, remember. So we have the open, it come down to the low of the day, and it closed here. Yeah, they don't have to have wicks. Yeah, some of them have wicks, some of them have bigger wicks. Some of them finish like that with no colour body at all. And all that means is that the price opened there, it come up, it come down, and it closed where it opened. That's all that means, okay? So these ones here, it come up, it come down, and it closed pretty much where it opened, with a slight bias for the bears, okay? So it's a red candle. So the sellers won slightly on these days and the buyer won slightly on this day. Well, guys, I hope that's helped you out. Thanks a lot for listening. Check out any other videos. I've got live webinars going on, and they really do help people, interactive webinars. So have a look at get in the Discord chat with us and get involved. Cheers, guys. I hope you've enjoyed.